Thinking about upgrading your home theater in 2025? The TCL QM8K might just be the unexpected star you've been waiting for, especially if you crave a breathtaking picture without breaking the bank. This isn't just another QLED TV. The TCL QM8K truly redefines value, offering superb peak brightness and stunning detail that outshines many pricier competitors. Imagine watching your favorite sports or action movies in broad daylight, with fantastic glare handling, thanks to its impressive luminance. But here's the dramatic part. For a non-OLED, its contrast and blooming mitigation in dark rooms are surprisingly excellent, challenging what you thought was possible from QLED technology. The 2025 QM8K model boasts an even brighter display than its already top-rated 2024 predecessor, placing it among the brightest TVs on the market. Its revolutionary full-array local dimming system, with thousands of precise backlight zones, delivers unparalleled picture quality, deep shadows, and vibrant colors that will leave you speechless. Forget the old QLED struggles with washout. TCL's new Halo control technology dramatically reduces blooming, ensuring a pristine viewing experience whether you're watching a suspenseful thriller or a vibrant documentary. This TV is a game-changer for anyone seeking premium performance and incredible visual impact at an affordable price point. Don't miss out. Check the description below for links to get your TCL QM8K today.